Nature Nagas, such as Azalea, when harnessing the power of the 9 elements, are blessed with the luscious beauty that can stun their adversaries. They command plants with more precision and strength than any army could possibly come close to. Nature Nagas in normal form have a gift of telepathically controlling plants for a short amount of time, but in super form can have limitless telepathy, even controlling plant life from far, far away. Azalea has an older brother and sister, a shrewd duo. Their mother, Rain, and their father, Sun, the son of Queen Marigold, alpha of the Heart Nature clan. The element of this Naga involves plants and all kinds of life that grows from the dust. I refer to this element as green. Their breath can go from a gentle mist to a powerful blast. This bizarre breath causes plants to grow rapidly. They are very creative with their power, especially in battle. Their eyes are yellow instead of white, probably has an ability to detect the vitality of the environment, much like heat vision. They nurture the ecosystem and have a deep sense of purpose and connection. In their clan, it's foolish to have a superficial attitude. The good is cherished, and the bad is never seen the same twice, because they are wise enough to find the heart of the matter. Until next time.